we're starting off with this white dress. I absolutely love these details around the neckline and also on the sleeves. It's just a nice floral white dress. It really gives me a bohemian vacation type of vibe. I love the smocking around the waist that cinches the waist in, and I love this tassel detail. It's just a really cute, kind of carefree, flirty type of dress, and I love it. Moving on to my black polka dot. This is from Express. I absolutely love these ties at the side. This dress is so girly. The neckline, everything about it. It has a tie around the waist as well, and I am in love with this embroidery detail at the end of the dress. I just think it's so cute. This has got to be my favorite dress out of the lot. I am in love with this rust color. For me, this is my color. It works so beautifully against my skin tone. I love the smocking at the waist, and I love the layered effect and those cute buttons at the front. This dress is so feminine. It screams brunch date with the girls. Alright, let's have a look at this dress. This dress is like a knit, it's like a knitted fabric type of, I don't know how to explain it, but the fabric feels kind of knitted, like a sweater type of fabric, but really tightly knitted, right? So it's just, it fits really good, really close. It's close fitted, but at the same time it gives you room to move around. I love the print on the dress, and this dress definitely gives me like serious mom vibes. Like I look at, so just look at the details on this next dress. This dress is definitely more of a vacation style dress. It does kind of give nightgown vibes, but the details on it, those gold stripes, I'm thinking about putting probably a belt around the waist, and I know you can style it like that, you can leave it like this, but I'm definitely getting vacation or beach day type of vibe. I think it would look nice with a really cute pair of gold or white sandals, and a nice bag, probably a broad hat, some shades, you know what I mean, just real chillaxed, fabulous type of vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.